Django datetime field. Convert to time zone in view. I have a Django model with a datetime field. When it is saved, the datetime field stored in my DB lose the time zone info, so it's saved as a naive datetime. In general, this is not a problem since Django converts it back automatically when rendering the datetime field in the template. But what about the view? Let's say I need the string representation of the datetime server side. Depending on summer/winter time, my time zone could be GTM+1 or GMT+2. What makes the things more difficult? So how do I apply the local TZ conversion in the view? I have tried several ways with pipes. No success. Only entries are converted to GMT+1 and others to GMT+2 from. E.g. Additional info. Django 1.8.7. Settings.use_tz equals true. MySQL. Why am I doing this? Because I have a table which loads all its rows on demand through Ajax. I need to prepare the datetime values with strophtime before send them to the client.
Start with this. To convert to UTC+1. How to get local time in current time zone. Second question, local time, get_fixed_time zone. There's no need to use Django.utils to convert between time zones. Yet if you usually work with just one time zone, it is convenient to store it in settings.time_zone equals Europe/Berlin and then we'll convert it to your local time.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.